Credit cards for beginners. How they work and why they matter. Credit cards have revolutionized the way we manage our finances, providing a seamless and convenient alternative to cash. They allow you to make purchases, earn rewards, and build a credit history, all while offering added security. However, if you're new to credit cards, understanding how they work and their importance is vital for long-term financial success. This video unpacks everything you need to know, helping you navigate the world of credit cards with confidence. What is a credit card? At its core, a credit card is a financial tool that lets you borrow money from a bank or credit issuer to make purchases, up to a specified limit. Unlike debit cards, which withdraw money directly from your bank account, credit cards allow you to spend first and repay later. This borrowing system comes with terms such as interest rates, billing cycles, and repayment obligations that users must adhere to. Credit cards aren't just about convenience, they're also about financial opportunity. They serve as a stepping stone toward establishing creditworthiness, a concept that becomes crucial when applying for loans, renting apartments, or even job applications in certain industries. How do credit cards work? To use a credit card wisely, it's essential to understand how the system functions. Each credit card has a credit limit, which is the maximum amount you can borrow. For beginners, this limit is often conservative, ensuring you learn to manage small amounts of credit responsibly. Your spending is tracked over a billing cycle, typically lasting 30 days. At the end of this period, the credit card issuer generates a statement detailing your total expenses, minimum payment, and due date. Paying off your balance in full by the due date ensures you avoid interest charges. However, if you carry a balance forward, you'll be charged interest based on the annual percentage rate, APR, of your card. It's important to note that even though making a minimum payment is enough to avoid late fees, the remaining balance accrues interest, making it more expensive to pay off over time. Regular full payments not only save you money, but also help build your credit score. Why credit cards matter? Credit cards are more than just payment tools. They're gateways to financial growth and independence. One of their most significant benefits is helping you establish a credit history. Your credit history reflects how responsibly you manage borrowed money, influencing your ability to secure loans or credit in the future. Beyond building credit, credit cards provide financial flexibility. They're widely accepted for online purchases, in-person transactions, and even emergencies where immediate funds are needed. Additionally, they offer features like fraud protection and purchase tracking, helping you shop securely and monitor your spending. Credit cards are also known for their rewards programs, offering cashback, travel perks, or points that can be redeemed for products and services. When used responsibly, these rewards translate into substantial savings and benefits. The benefits of using credit cards. Credit cards come with a host of advantages that go beyond mere convenience. For instance, many credit cards are designed with rewards programs that allow you to earn cashback, points, or travel miles for everyday spending. Over time, these rewards can accumulate into significant value, whether it's a free flight, gift card, or reduced expenses. Another key benefit is fraud protection. Unlike cash, which is gone once stolen, credit cards offer security measures to protect against unauthorized transactions. In most cases, reporting fraud promptly means you won't be held liable for the charges. Travelers especially benefit from credit cards, as many include travel perks such as no foreign transaction fees, free checked luggage, and access to exclusive airport lounges. Even beyond travel, the convenience of credit cards makes them indispensable for online shopping, recurring payments, and large purchases, where carrying cash would be impractical. The risks of credit cards. Despite their benefits, credit cards come with potential risks if not managed properly. Overspending is one of the most common pitfalls, as the convenience of swiping a card can make it easy to lose track of your budget. This can lead to high balances that are difficult to pay off. Carrying a balance also exposes you to interest charges, which can quickly accumulate, turning manageable debt into a financial burden. Additionally, some credit cards have hidden costs, including annual fees, late payment penalties, and foreign transaction fees, which can eat into your finances if you're not careful. Finally, irresponsible use, such as missing payments or maxing out your card, can harm your credit score. A damaged credit score affects your ability to secure loans, rent apartments, or even qualify for certain jobs in the future. Starting your credit card journey. Getting started with credit cards doesn't have to be complicated. If you're new, look for beginner-friendly options such as secured credit cards, which require a security deposit but help you build credit responsibly. Alternatively, student credit cards often come with low fees and simple terms tailored to first-time users. When you receive your card, focus on building good habits. Paying off your balance in full each month is the best way to avoid interest and demonstrate financial responsibility. Keeping your spending below 30% of your credit limit helps maintain a healthy credit utilization rate, a factor that heavily influences your credit score. Additionally, setting up payment reminders or enrolling in auto pay ensures you never miss a due date. Reviewing your statements regularly also helps track your spending and identify any unauthorized transactions. Dispelling common credit card myths. There's a lot of misinformation about credit cards that can lead to confusion. For instance, many believe that carrying a balance helps improve your credit score. The truth is, paying your balance in full each month has the most positive impact on your credit. Another common myth is that credit cards are only for people with high incomes. In reality, many cards are designed for those just starting, such as students or individuals with no prior credit history. It's also a misconception that applying for a credit card permanently damages your credit score. While there's a temporary impact, responsible use will improve your score over time. Developing healthy credit habits. The key to maximizing the benefits of credit cards is cultivating healthy habits. Always pay your bill on time to avoid late fees and maintain a good credit score. Use your card for planned expenses only, treating it as a tool for convenience rather than an excuse to overspend. Regularly checking your credit report ensures accuracy and helps you spot signs of fraud early. Establishing these habits early on sets the foundation for a positive relationship with credit, opening doors to better financial opportunities in the future. Credit cards are a powerful financial tool that can help you build a strong credit history, enjoy rewards, and manage your money more effectively. However, their benefits come with responsibilities. By understanding how credit cards work, prioritizing responsible use, and avoiding common pitfalls, you can turn them into valuable assets in your financial toolkit. What are your thoughts or concerns about credit cards? Let's continue the conversation in the comments below and help each other navigate the exciting world of credit.